to SEO Time Machines, the world's first operating system for your browser. I'm Dimitri, the creator, and today I'd like to introduce you to the productivity section with Text Case Converter. Now, Text Case Converter is a shortcut-based system, and this is the only extension that you'll find it that allows you to set your own shortcuts to do real-time text case conversions. Now you can do everything uppercase, lowercase, Slugify, which is adding slug or removing slugs. If you ever used anything like it before, you know you have to have a Chrome extension that you open. So you have to click the Chrome extension, you have to copy the text you have to paste it into a box, click a convert button, have that convert, copy that, and then paste it into the content that you're pasting. We cut all of that out with shortcuts that you can set. So whatever helps you work the fastest, it's all in your control. So there's no copy pasting either. The paste is done automatically. It works in WordPress, Notion, the first one to work within WordPress, by the way. It's a little bit tricky to get working, but after I got it working, I use it all the time now. So you can even sort lines alphabetically and remove duplicates if you want to. If you're doing any kind of SEO work, like doing location pages or just getting the locations, this is super helpful. We can also modify the headings. So if you've got something that is like a URL and you just want to strip, the overall just helps you to stay in the flow and not have to click another extension, take your attention away. Context switching is a real thing. So I think once you start using this, this will become one of the settings, and you press S for settings. You can have a look at want auto paste to be enabled. You toggle this on as well. I suggest that you have it on because it just takes one step out of it. The way I have it set up is pushing Control, Alt, and Command. So the bottom three on a Mac keyboard plus up. So capital case, arrow up, lowercase, arrow down, uppercase, meaning everything is uppercase. I throw a shift in there as well. So the three bottom left plus the shift with the up arrow. Sentence case, that's where just the first letter of the sentence gets transformed. So I do the 3 keys plus the left because the left reminds me of the first letter of the sentence. Slugify is the opposite, so just pushing right. Trim to page, this is if you have something like a URL and you want to cut out the first part of the URL, and you just that right there. Sort lines alphabetically, remove empty lines, and remove duplicate lines. These are all configurable, so when you click and set the shortcut, the system ensures that that shortcut isn't used anywhere else. So let me give you a practical example. If you generate 20 lists of Australian cities like this, and you paste them, so you see the first thing that you see here is that you have all these empty lines. If you highlight everything, use the shortcut, that's one thing that you can get rid of the lines. If you want to alphabetize them, press it again, shortcut alphabetizes it. If you want everything lowercase for whatever reason, 3 letters plus down, or whatever your shortcase was. If you want to do the same up, if you want to turn these into slugs, so you can press the right arrow like I just showed you, for example, sitemap processing, and you just want to see the words without all of the content, this is something that you can do. So I can show you that it also works in WordPress fields, so you can press up, down, make them uppercase, lowercase. No. So this is one of the most used tools that I have on hand all the time. You can switch it on and off. I don't know why you would want to switch it off, but if this interferes with some shortcuts you have, it's not in there all the time. And don't forget that you can set any shortcut to do this. So that is Text Case Transformers. Works everywhere where you have a text editable field, including WordPress. And this is one of my favorite features in the productivity suite.